Hello and welcome to another edition of Check It Out. Okay, friends, this is day 3 on my road to recovery after my surgery to repair my torn labrum. If this is the first video you're watching, this is a series. This is video number 5, and again, it is day 3 after the surgery. So the good news is, day 3, I'm feeling better, my head feels better, my stomach feels better, my leg feels better. Overall, I am, well, I guess, doing a little bit better. Getting better on my crutches, getting better about setting myself up, getting some books in my laptop computer and stuff like that, so I don't have to move around quite as much unless I want to. So the crutches, I'll probably get on the crutches about 4 or 5 times today, go around the house, take care of any business I need to, something like that, which is an improvement from the last couple days. It feels very nice. Obviously you can see I just have this compression stocking on right now. So that feels really good to take a break from all those devices I have to put on my legs. And again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my other videos. But if I'm sitting still for any period of time, or taking a nap or going to sleep, then I put devices to keep my legs together and keep my feet together, and devices that go on my calves to help pump blood. So it's quite an operation to get going there. So it feels really nice to kind of take a break from that. But overall, day 3, I feel optimistic. Things are going well. I've got myself set up for physical therapy starting on Monday. So that is going to be about, 6 days post-surgery. And I actually could have done it a little bit earlier than that. The doctor was basically saying we could have started a couple days earlier. So anyway, we'll get out at Monday. I believe that's going to be 3 days a week. I do have exercises that I'm doing at home. I do them every day, 4 times a day. And those exercises do cause me a little bit of pain, but it's really not too bad. A little bit of pain getting around the crutches, but again, it's really not too bad. So I feel really lucky in that department as far as the amount of pain I'm in. And just to give you a heads up, I'm no tough guy at all. So as far as the pain goes, I don't know if I just got lucky on that or what. But okay, friends, that's going to do it for today's video. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.